Page 169, numbers 1 and 3. We are to determine which are polynomial functions, state the degree and the leading coefficient, and if not, explain why. So number 1, the function is f of x equals 3x to the negative 5 plus 17. Now this is not a polynomial. And the reason why it is not a polynomial is because you cannot have a negative exponents. Exponents must be positive integers. So there's nothing else to say about this one. Now the next one, number 3, f of x equals 2x to the 5th plus 1/2 x plus 9 is a polynomial. So now we can state the degree and the leading coefficient. So the degree is the degree of the highest monomial term. So this is a 5th degree polynomial. And the leading coefficient is the coefficient that is with the highest degree term. So the leading coefficient is 2.